So, does all of this that you've now covered in the episode, so things like the zero trust agency framework, things like TBAC, does that allow me as a data scientist or as an AI engineer now to maybe be able to get more of my agentic projects approved by enterprise security teams?
True, and that is the whole goal behind this, right? So when we thought about the Internet of Agents and agency in the open source, the notion behind the entire project was to ensure that agentic workflows and self-forming agentic teams and getting agents to do business outcomes or perform business outcomes, the bar to that is lowered or becomes easier. And that's where we started. So identity is a big stumbling block and a problem to solve. Evaluation is a problem to solve. If you think about an enterprise like Cisco, we are dealing with agents from a Salesforce or from Cisco, Microsoft, ServiceNow. All of these things need to come together to build a simple sales funnel, for example. And so these agents are all sitting in their own clouds, different vendors, different clouds, different intent and outcomes. So if somebody says, "Give me the best X," what does best mean? When some agent comes back and says, "Here's the best X with 90% confidence," is it 90% well understood across all agents, or is it a vendor by vendor thing? And so looking at discovery, identity, bring them together and helping them collaborate and evaluating them, these are the four steps of the pipeline that we saw enterprises struggle with on a day-to-day basis. So to your question, yes, data scientists, I'm an engineer, we are all focused in on the outcomes that we want to deliver on our product, on the thing that we're working on. But if you take a step back and to your point, think about adoption. There are these really hard brownfield heterogeneity problems that we need to solve. And agency is out there to solve for it in an open source, open interoperable way.